Step one, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I am super happy that you're here. So these are my new dips from Nailzinacoffin Dips. These are came in my ambassador collection, and I'm going to use the neon yellow. There is a glitter. Blah, blah, blah. Starting this one off great. There is a glitter neon yellow, but I decided to use the solid. And I'm using the psychedelic, which is a super pretty neon glitter. These two just complemented each other so perfect. So I'm going to do the pinky, the pointer, and the thumb in the neon yellow. And then I'm going to do a side ombre kind of thing with the glitter. And then I'll use clear dip for the other, okay. I don't know what I'm saying today. You will see what I'm doing because clearly I cannot explain it. So either way, I'm going to let you guys watch for a minute and I will be back while I gather my words.
Step one, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, so hopefully now that I've collected my thoughts a little bit, I can actually speak English instead of jibber jabber. But so I'm doing, with the eyeshadow brush, the glitter ombre, kind of like more on the side versus like on the free edge only. And then I go in and I fill the rest of the nail with the clear dip. So I'm on my second layer. And I believe with this one, I kind of dip. Yes. Okay. So I dip the side / free edge into the glitter just to pick up a little bit more of those glitters just at that area. And then kind of ombre it out. Hopefully that makes sense. I think it does because you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I will kind of clean up a little bit and then cover the rest of the nail with the glitter. And then when we get into the clear encapsulation, which I do leave on camera for these, and then I do just my pinky. I show the clear, but I don't show my pointer and my thumb because, you know, repetitiveness. But when I do those ones, I will go in and I will sorry, when I do the glitter nails, I will go in and hand place a few glitters just to kind of get some more where I want it. And then I will cap in clear. And I do cap and clear twice just to make sure I don't cut into any of the glitters, which I think I did a little bit, but barely. I mean, the end result, you can't even tell. But I don't leave the second clear on camera just because you don't need to see me dip and clear twice. But I do dip and clear twice, but just on these two nails. Okay, I'm going to let you guys watch, and then I will be back and explain what I'm doing after I'm done filing and stuff. So yeah, I'll be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
So I'm just going in after my first layer of activator, and I'm just flattening out those glitters as much as I can so that when I file and buff, I don't, you know, they're already flat. I don't cut into any. And then I will activate the rest of the nails, or all of the nails, 2 more times before we file and buff. And then we will get into a little bit of a last minute nail art decision, which I don't regret. It looked really pretty, but I really, really wish I would have done this before I clear capped and filed and all that, because I did it in the most difficult way. And you'll see what I mean in just a second, because we're pretty much done with this. And then, you know, I wait a minute and hear the click, click, click. I don't know. Can you guys hear that? Hopefully. Yep. See, I'm getting the click, click, click. Okay. So I'm using the Crazy Girl Dips Stuck. This stuff is really, really sticky. I mean, I use it for chroming. I use it for transfer foil. I use it for stamping. I use it for decals. So I thought, oh, I bet that glitter will stick great to it. No, it does not. It really doesn't. I mean, it did. Okay, it worked. But it took way longer than it should have. And I'm sorry, I'm a little bit off screen as I'm applying this stuff, but you just apply it like any other base. It goes on white and then turns clear when it's sticky and ready to adhere whatever you want to adhere to it. Don't use it with glitter. I don't recommend. And then I just wanted to take some of the glitter pieces, and I wanted to use obviously not the yellow, but the other colors in the glitter. So I used a bigger piece in the very corner of the nail, and then I used 3 of the same color of the smaller pieces coming out, and then 3 coming out the other direction. I don't know. I guess we'll see when it's done. This one was the hardest one. For some reason, they really just did not want to stick well. So when I go into activate, they do move, but I am able to put them kind of back into place. And then when I go into top coat, they are stuck. The activator helped them stick even better. So they did not move after that. Also, I was really having a hard time with the wooden stick. I don't know why I was using it versus my cuticle cleanup metal thing, because that works a lot better for hand placing glitters. I do this every time. You see it probably in every video that I hand place glitters. I always start with my wooden stick, and then I'm like, why am I using this? Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So now I have my cuticle precision tool. This is from Vivid Glam Co. It's a little sharper than my one that I typically use, which is from Triple D. So I don't really like to use it to go around my cuticles. I have accidentally cut myself a couple times. So this was the one that I use to place glitters, but I always start with the wooden stick because I am stubborn. So I didn't show my pinky, but I did do it on my pinky as well. But I basically did the same thing as I did on my pointer and my thumb. And here you can see I'm activating before I go into top coat, and I'm like, oh crap, they all moved. Well, all those little ones, nothing else moved. But like I said, I was easily able to move them back into place. And then I was terrified when I went to wipe off, which is why I didn't do it on camera, because I was afraid I was going to ruin everything. But I wiped off with a lint-free wipe and some swipe solution, and I did not have any issue with the glitters at this point because of the activator were stuck into place. So if I were to do this again, which I probably will do something like this again, I would place them. So when I go into clear cap, that's when I would place them, and then I would dip into the clear, and they would be there and I wouldn't have any issues. So I won't do it this way again. But at the end of the day, it did work. This design is super cute. I love this neon yellow, and I am not a yellow person, but you wouldn't know that because I've been wearing a lot of yellow. I don't know what's going on, but I do love the neon yellows. I like some pastel yellows. I don't really like the darker, like mustardy yellows, but whatever. The glitter is gorgeous. I actually don't, well, you definitely can't tell that I definitely cut into a couple pieces, but you can't see it except maybe in the pictures at the end, which stick around to the end. You'll see a close-up of the nails and the design, and you'll also see the pictures. We are wrapped up. I'm going to do my cuticle salve and my cuticle oil, and yeah, we're done. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this and supporting me, and I would love to hear any feedback you have or anything. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.